Hello guys, welcome back to STEM Trainers. In the previous videos, we have seen how to complete the square and solve the quadratic. And you already know the discriminant method to solve a quadratic, and you also know how to factorize a quadratic and get the roots. Now, sometimes what we have is we have equations which are not exactly quadratic, but they can be reduced to a quadratic equation by some simplification or substitution. So we are going to see those cases. So let's see. So first example is x power 2 by 3 plus x power 1 by 3 minus 6 equals 0. So we have to solve this. As you can see, this is not a quadratic equation because it has the powers in the form of 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. So what we will do is we can make a substitution. As you already know that x power 2 by 3 is nothing but x power 1 by 3 whole squared, because we know the powers multiply. So 1 by 3 into 2 will become 2 by 3. So what we will do is we will make a substitution. Let x power 1 by 3 equals t. So this will be our substitution. So x power 1 by 3 is t, then obviously x power 2 by 3 will become our t square. So our equation changes to now t square plus t minus 6 equals 0. Now it is a quadratic equation, and you can solve this using any of the three methods: discriminant, factorize, or completing the square. I think if it's possible to make factors, it's faster. So I think we can make factors t plus 3 and t minus 2 equals 0. So t value we are getting as minus 3 or 2. So we are getting two answers. Now, once you get t value, we have to solve for x. What we have to do is we have to find x in this question. So first case we will say as t is equal to minus 3, it means x power 1 by 3 is equal to minus 3. And now cubing both sides, or you can use your calculator, we can write x is equal to minus 3 cubed. So this will be nothing but minus 27. So this will be one of our answers. Now second case, similarly we will take t as 2. Now if t is 2, it means x power 1 by 3 is 2. It means x is nothing but 2 cube. So basically we are cubing both sides. So which is nothing but 8. So x is 8. So my final answers for this question are x can be 8 or minus 27. So these are my answers. So this is how you can solve these equations. Now there are many types. I mean, it's not that they are 3, 4, 5. There are many types which can be reduced to quadratic, but some are important and which are in syllabus and curriculum and which generally they ask in exams. So we are doing that. So this is one of the case. Now let's go over the second case. Second case is this: x power 6 plus 9x cube plus 8 equals 0. Now again you can see this is not a quadratic, but same logic that we used in previous question, we can say x power 6 is nothing but x cube square. The powers will multiply, so 3 into 2 is 6. So similarly, we will take the substitution as x cube equal to, let's say, some variable y. So from this I am getting, now my equation changes to y square plus 9y plus 8 equals 0. Now this is a quadratic. So let's make factors if it's possible. 8, 9. So 8 and 1. So we can make factors y plus 8 into y plus 1 equals 0. So from this I am getting my y as minus 8 and minus 1. Again same case. We will take first case as y equal to minus 8 and try to find x value. Now y is nothing but x cube. So x cube is minus 8. Now x will be equal to minus 8 power 1 over 3. And minus 8 power 1 over 3 means cube root of minus 8. That is nothing but minus 2. So this is one of my answer. Now we will take the second case. Second case is y equals minus 1. So x cube is minus 1 which means x is nothing but minus 1 power 1 over 3, which implies x is minus 1. So this is my second answer. So the answers for this part are x can be minus 2 or it can be minus 1. So these are my two answers. So this is how you can reduce. Okay, let's go for one more problem. Okay, now we are having an exponential problem. So sometimes these kind of questions are also given. So again, I am using the same logic. 3 power 2x is nothing but 3 power x squared. As you know, powers multiply, so x times 2 is 2x, which is same as this. So similarly, let 3 power x equals to some variable, let's say u. So my equation now changes to u square minus 28u plus 27 equals 0. So again, I am going to make factors. So this is 27 and 1. So my u value is coming out to be 27 or 1. Now let's take the first case. We have to find x. Now remember, we have to solve for x. Okay. So u is 3 power x, which is 27. That is the first case. So obviously, you have to think of the x value in there, so that 3 power x is 27. Or what you can do is, I can simply write 27 is nothing but 3 cube. So from this I can say the possible value of x is 3. So x is 3, then we will have 3 power 3 as 27. Now second case, similarly 3 power x equals 1. And I mean, this is, you don't have to write anything, or you already know 3 power 0 is going to be 1. So x is 0. So even if you want to write one more step, you can write 1 can be written as 3 power 0. So it gives us x as 0. So my answers are 0 and 3 for this question. So x can be 3 or 0. So this is how you can reduce the different equations into quadratic. Thanks for watching.